Okay, so I'm going to take you through how to install your Algebra 1 app. If I can get this video to pause. Okay. So this is what I would like you to do. I would like you to have it installed by the time we start class next Tuesday. So I'm going to take you through how to do that. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to go to Google Classroom if you have it on your phone, because that is where you can find the link to the app. You can download the Google Classroom app and then delete it as soon as you're done with this. It's just going to be way easier to get to the link from there. From here, you are going to, you can't see the bottom of the screen. So on the bottom of the screen, if you have an iPhone, it is like the little box with an arrow coming out of it. If you are on an Android, I think there's like 3 dots, and you are going to click that, and then you are going to click add to home screen right here. You're going to click add to home screen. As you can see, I do that. I'm going to rename it and just call it Algebra app, because I think I like my apps to have shorter names. And there it is, and you are good to go, and you're able to click on it, go through it, and it will have everything you need for the rest of NTI, okay? So I know that was really quick. So if you watch this and then want to come back to the Teams meeting that we have because you have a question, feel free to do that. But for now, that is all I've got for you guys. So this is all you're really going to do today, and finish that About Me slide and make sure you are logged into Delta Math by Friday.